Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about colors name. Let's start. Brown. Brown means bhura. Some examples of brown color are chocolates, brown crayon, walnut, basket, red. Red means lal. Some examples of red color are apple, tomato, strawberry, heart. Deep blue. Deep blue means gahra neela. Some examples of deep blue color are blueberry, diamond, pansy, Neptune. Black. Black means kala. Some examples of black color are blackberry, coal, wheel, hat. Yellow. Yellow means peela. Some examples of yellow color are sun, corn, pineapple, lemon. Light blue. Light blue means halka neela. Some examples of light blue color are blue butterfly, blue ice cream, blue shoes, blue balloon. Orange. Orange means narangi. Some examples of orange color are carrot, pumpkin, orange, basketball. Pink. Pink means gulabi. Some examples of pink color are lipstick, pink crayon, pig, lips. Purple. Purple means bangni. Some examples of purple color are brinjal, purple boots, grapes, tulips. Green. Green means hara. Some examples of green color are capsicum, leaf, parrot, tree. White. White means safed. Some examples of white color are rabbit, snowman, polar bear, egg. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.